It is Makar Sankranti today and lakhs of people are flocking to the Ganges to take a holy dip and to offer sesame seeds. Makar Sankranti is a harvest festival and is believed to mark the arrival of spring in India. This festival is famous for its sesame sweets and kite flying. Makar Sankranti is celebrated as Pongal, Bihu, Khichdi in different parts of India.
Lakhs of pilgrims have gathered on the banks of the holy river Ganga and Sagar, the confluence of the ocean and the river, only to take a holy dip on the auspicious occasion of Makar Sankranti. I am at the Ganga Sagar Island, where you see thousands of pilgrims singing and chanting different mantras, and with that they are also ensuring that they are enjoying every bit of it. Remember, it's a very cold morning, and with the fact that they are taking a holy dip into the water, daring the cold and of course the weather too. The weatherman has predicted that the weather would be around 10 to 12 degrees centigrade as far as the temperatures are concerned. But that does not stop them from taking a holy dip into the confluence of the river Ganges as well as the ocean here. You see, the number of people who've gathered here is increasing with every passing hour. We told that more than 15 lakh people are expected to gather here to take a holy dip. There are immense security arrangements that have been made. Now this also includes Coast Guard as well as other traffic boats that have been deployed here. It also means a Kolkata police UAV that has been deployed here to man every minute movement of the crowd here. More than 15 lakh people are expected. Now this also means that they will not be staying on the island, but we will be ferrying from across the island to the mainland. And with this, the number of pilgrims is expected to swell up with every passing hour. With camera person Tapas Berry, this is Manogya Loiwal in Ganga Sagar Island for Headlines Today.
This time around, it looks like it's going to be a political Sankranti in Hyderabad with KCR, Modi and Obama kites soaring the city skies. As you can see, a multitude of kites here, small and big, with KCR and Modi faces on them, ready to dot the skies tomorrow. However, this time people might have to shell a little extra as prices of sticks and paper have gone up, but that's not going to stop our customers from buying these fancy kites, especially with popular politicians on them. Let's ask a customer here, आप ये मोदी ओबामा वाले पतंग क्यों उड़ाना चाहते हैं?
मोदी जी की पतंग इसलिए उड़ाना चाहते हैं, वो हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री है, और वो ओबामा जी की पतंग इसलिए उड़ाना चाहते हैं कि ओबामा जी 26 जनवरी को हिंदुस्तान आ रहे हैं और मोदी जी भी जाकर न्योता देकर आए उनको, और मोदी जी ओबामा जी का काफ़ी अच्छा रिश्ता हो चुका है और इसलिए उनकी हम पतंग उड़ाना चाहते हैं। और मोदी जी की लहर चल रही है, बस पतंग उड़ रही है ओबामा जी की और मोदी।
आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा बिक्री हुई है मोदी ओबामा वाले पतंगों की, क्या वजह है?
देश अपने पीएम को, मोदी जी को बहुत लाइक करते हैं, इसके लिए पतंग बिक रही है। अभी 26 जनवरी को पीएम यूएस के बाराक ओबामा था, वो भी आ रहे हैं, वो देखने के बाद में उनकी पतंग उनके आने से पहले ही ज़्यादा बिक रही है पतंग।
So Hyderabad and Hyderabadis are set to celebrate a Sankranti, political Sankranti in fact, laced with political fervour and flavour. With camera person Manohar Reddy, Ratnika Sharma in Hyderabad for Headlines Today.